Today I'm going to try a Japanese bun. I am not sure where this name originated from, where this style originated from. It was very hard to track down the actual long hair community version, because if you look up Japanese bun on YouTube, you're going to get a whole lot of things, and none of them really look like an LHC style. So I finally found one that's basically just a Chinese bun with extra wraps of the hair stick. So I don't know, but apparently that is what a Japanese bun is by LHC definitions. Got an actual chopstick today. This is a little bit long to be a hair stick, but since we're doing extra wrapping, I think this will help. We'll see. So I tracked it down at last from someone called Hairy Knees, and she said this is the diamond variation, at least if I am doing it correctly to what I watched her do, which was a little bit hard to follow for me. Alright, so divide in two, lift up over the top. This is how a Chinese bun LHC style starts. And then we're going to do it over the top again. Then cross these sections, bring it up, cross and twist. Down, cross, and that appears to be all I can do. So, I guess this is it. I do want to try all of the styles on the list, so I'm doing my best to find them all, to recreate them all.